Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat income. So for this you will have to open the Chrome browser, and first step is to check on Google. So type Snapchat reward earning. So here you will see get rewarded on stories. You can cash out your reward whenever you choose. To qualify, your account need to hit the following criteria: more than 50,000 plus subscriber on your public profile. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.